Teachers Federal Credit Union Student Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If you're a student or just starting to build your credit, choosing the right credit card can feel overwhelming. In 2025, the Teachers Federal Credit Union TFCU Student Credit Card has become a popular choice among young adults seeking to establish credit while earning rewards. But is it truly worth it, or should you leave it? In this review, we'll explore the card's features, benefits, rewards structure, fees, and real-world value so you can make an informed decision. Let's start with the fundamentals. The TFCU Student Credit Card is specifically designed for students aged 18 and older who are enrolled in school. Its main goal is to help young people start building credit history responsibly, while also providing some perks that make everyday spending more rewarding. Unlike standard credit cards aimed at established earners, this card prioritizes accessibility and learning credit management skills. One of the most attractive features of the TFCU Student Credit Card is its *** rewards program. Cardholders earn points for every dollar spent, typically ***1 point per dollar on all purchases ***. While this may sound modest compared to premium rewards cards, the value lies in the simplicity and consistency. Students can easily earn rewards without worrying about complicated bonus categories or rotating categories. Additionally, TFCU often offers *** sign-up bonuses for new cardholders ***, such as a few hundred points after spending a certain amount within the first 3 months. For a student, this can translate into gift cards, statement credits, or merchandise, helping to make the card feel more rewarding early on. The welcome bonus can be a motivating factor for students to start using the card responsibly from day one. Now, let's discuss fees and APRA The TFCU Student Credit Card is known for its low or even waived annual fee making it accessible for students who may not have a large budget. The APRA is variable, and while it's competitive for a student card, it's important to remember that carrying a balance will accrue interest. Paying off the balance in full each month ensures that you avoid unnecessary interest charges and truly benefit from the rewards program. One of the strongest benefits for students is the credit building aspect with responsible use, such as making on-time payments and keeping utilization low. Students can start building a solid credit history that will benefit them for years. Most people get this wrong by assuming that student cards have little impact on long-term credit. In reality, using this card wisely can set the foundation for higher credit limits, better interest rates, and approval for premium credit products in the future. Another useful feature is fraud protection and security The TFCU Student Credit Card comes with zero liability policies for unauthorized charges, EMV chip technology, and real-time transaction alerts. This makes it a safe choice for students who may be navigating their first credit card experience. Let's break down how rewards can translate into real value Imagine a student spends $500 per month on groceries, transportation, and textbooks. With 1 point per dollar, that's 500 points each month, or 6,000 points per year, depending on TFCU redemption options. This could be worth a $60 100 gift card or statement credit, essentially giving you a small but meaningful return on everyday spending. The TFCU Student Credit Card also offers educational resources to help students understand credit, budgeting, and responsible financial management. This is a key advantage because most students are new to credit and may not realize the long-term impact of missed payments or high utilization ratios. By pairing a simple rewards program with educational support, the card encourages smart financial habits from the start. Another consideration is eligibility and accessibility Because this is a student card, approval requirements are more lenient than standard credit cards. Applicants typically need to be enrolled in school, have a minimum income which can sometimes be supplemented by a parent or guardian, and a valid social security number. This makes it a realistic option for students who may not have an extensive credit history. It's important to note that the TFCU Student Credit Card has limitations The rewards rate is modest, and points can usually only be redeemed through TFCU program, which may not offer as many high-value travel or shopping options as other general rewards cards. Additionally, the credit limit is typically lower than what you would find on cards aimed at working adults, meaning it's important to keep utilization low to protect your credit score. For students who may be tempted to overspend, the card includes *** spending alerts and mobile app management ***, allowing you to track purchases, payments, and rewards easily. This transparency is crucial for building good credit habits early on and avoiding debt accumulation. Let's discuss *** pros and cons *** in detail. *** pros: designed specifically for students, making approval easier. Low or waived annual fee rewards on every purchase, simple and easy to understand educational resources to build financial literacy. Credit building potential with responsible use. Security features including fraud protection and alerts. Cons: lower rewards rate compared to premium cards. Limited redemption options for points. Lower credit limit than standard cards. Best suited for students, so may not scale well after graduation. To put this into perspective, consider a student who uses this card for textbooks, groceries, and transportation. If they spend $400 per month, they would earn 4,800 points annually. Redeemed for gift cards or statement credits, this could cover some essentials or even a small splurge, showing tangible benefits for routine spending. Over time, the real value may not just be the points earned, but the credit history built by making on-time payments and keeping balances manageable. Another interesting aspect is *** integration with other TFCU accounts. *** Students who bank with TFCU may find it easier to manage finances by keeping checking, savings, and credit accounts under one platform. This can streamline payments, allow for automatic transfers to avoid late fees, and give a comprehensive view of your financial situation. Let's also highlight the ** impact on credit score. ** With responsible use, such as maintaining a utilization rate below 30% and paying on time, a student could see their credit score improve steadily within months. This early foundation is crucial for future borrowing, whether it's a car loan, apartment lease, or even a mortgage later in life. It's worth comparing this card to other student credit cards in 2025. Many student cards offer similar 1% rewards, but TFCU distinguishes itself with educational resources and lower fees. Cards from major banks may offer higher rewards in certain categories, but they often have stricter approval requirements or higher fees, which can be barriers for students. Finally, consider the ** long-term value. ** While the rewards may seem modest, the card's true value lies in the credit building potential. A solid credit history established with this card can unlock access to better cards in the future, offering higher rewards, travel perks, and lower interest rates. In essence, the card is an investment in your financial future, not just a tool for immediate rewards. In conclusion, the ** Teachers Federal Credit Union Student Credit Card in 2025 is worth it for students who want to build credit responsibly while earning simple rewards. ** Its combination of accessibility, low fees, educational resources, and consistent rewards makes it a smart choice for young adults. The surprising truth is that even modest rewards can add up, but the real payoff comes from learning to manage credit early, setting the stage for financial success in the years to come. For students who are disciplined, use the card for regular expenses, and pay off balances on time, this card is ** definitely worth it. ** If you are not currently in school, or if you prefer higher rewards or travel-focused points, other cards may offer more value. Either way, understanding how to use this card wisely can establish a strong financial foundation that benefits you far beyond your student years.